The Valkyries welcome you and lead you through Odin's great battlefield. May they sing your name with love and fury, so that we might hear it rise from the depths of Valhalla, and know that you've taken your rightful place at the table of kings. For a great man has fallen, a warrior, a chieftain,
You
father,
gave all that sweat and blood, now you think you're
I'm sorry, Dad.
drown.
I'm not the chief that
You can't
you
tell
wanted me
that
to
you're
be.
bigger than the sea that you're sinking
Not
in.
the peacekeeper I thought I was.
You don't know what you got,
I
but
was
you
so
got it
afraid
at your
of
fingertips.
becoming my dad, mostly because I thought I never could. How do you
You got
become
it
someone
in you.
that great, that brave, that selfless? I guess
You got it
you can
in
only
you.
try.
When the
I know,
lights go
but
out
that was
and
before I
leave you
just
standing in the
it's all so messed
dark.
up. Take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just
No
don't
one
hurt
ever
Toothless.
told you this would be
That's
so
what you're worried
hard.
about? Not the people you almost killed?
I know
Just protecting
you
me.
think
He's
your
not
fire
dangerous.
is
They
burning
killed
out,
hundreds of
but
us.
I
And
still
we've
see
killed
you
thousands of them.
shining
They defend themselves, that's all. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You throw your logic with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Not everything
The world
you hear
wants
should sound
peace.
like the truth.
And we have the answer back on Burke.
Cause nobody
Just
else's
let
words
me
can
show you.
define you. Maybe you don't see it, but you're quicker than the world can spin.
the face of it.
You should know what you got, cause you got it at your fingertips.
Toothless, come on. What's the matter with you? Get off. Stop.
You got it in
Snap
you.
out of it.
When the lights go out and leave you standing in the dark, no one ever told you this would be so hard. I know you think your fire is burning out, but I still see you shining through.
You have the heart of a chief and the soul of a
You
dragon.
got it in.
Only you can bring our worlds together.
When the lights go out
That
and leave you
is who
standing in
you
the dark.
are, son.
No one ever told you this would
The
be so
chief
hard.
has come home!
I know you think your fire is burning out, but I still see
If we want to live in peace with our dragons, we need a better plan. We have to disappear. Off the map. Take the dragons to a place where no one will find them. My father was obsessed with it when I was born. He made notes and maps in search of the ancestral home of all dragons.
Legends tell of ships that sailed too close to it, only to drop off the edge of the world. Never to be seen again. But those sailors who turned back told tales of a great waterfall and dragons guarding the entrance to a hidden world. Not just a nest, Hiccup, but a land from which all dragons
you
come.
got it in you.
The people, the dragons. I say Burke is wherever we go.
I'm with him! Who else?